We've talked about Intel delivering a mediocre guidance. The chipmaker warns that the second quarter revenue will be hit by the news that the U.S. ban on chip exports to Huawei. Abigail Doolittle is with me. It's a double blow, really, for Intel, isn't it, in a number of weeks?
It is. This is interesting. To my memory, it's pretty rare for a big company like this to guide down twice in just a couple of weeks. But a few weeks ago, when they reported, they did exactly that for both earnings and revenue. Revenue of $13 billion was about 5% light of what the street was looking at. And so now, as you mentioned, the range, $12.5 billion to $13.5 billion, they're saying that they're going to be in the low end of that. So it really is a double guide down in some ways. Investors seem to be taking it somewhat in stride, though. The stock down just 2.2%. If they had given a really bad guidance all in one earlier, it could have been a much bigger blow at that time. But the cause, perhaps they have a good excuse, a good reason for this. And of course, that is the U.S. government basically banning Intel and Qualcomm from selling some of its chips to Huawei as they investigate a particular, I think it's the 7 nano chip in one of their phones. The interesting thing about it, though, is, Manus, I use the SPLC function in the Bloomberg terminal, and just 0.13% of Intel's revenue is from Huawei. So it's still hard to know how much this is of an impact on their actual revenue. It will be of that amount. Maybe they see ripple effects. This stock on the year right now down 39%. And that's not even the worst year in a long time. In 2022, it fell 49%. So Pat Gelsinger really has a lot ahead in terms of manufacturing the turnaround he's been talking about.